Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Transita Johnson, and today Margalida is back with me to show you this weekend hairstyle, we called it. For this week, I call it weekend hairstyle because we started to add in some waves into her beautiful hair. Therefore, I used heat protection at the very beginning. The hair is parted in the middle, and I just want to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. So after doing this, I just take off the front section and I'm clipping the rest of the hair away. Try to get a section of about 3 fingers wide, 5 centimeters, 2 inches more or less, and then use elastics. I like to use some oil before I put in the hair elastics because the hair is just smoother and you avoid that they got unraveled or in the middle of the elastics. It's just smoother. We're going to use 3 of these elastic on each side, and then I add in some hair just at the end of her eyebrow. One trick when you do elastics is to keep them close to the scalp. That is the same thing like with braiding. When you do the cornrows, try to have your fingertips always close to the scalp. Then you have the correct position for the hair tie. Then tie up a bit, and then take the rest of the hair over the ear and bring in the 3rd elastic. Then take away the clip, and we're going to part the upper section right on the crown, on the top of her head. This is more or less as wide as the first elastic, and then you go straight to the back of the head. This is more or less the same width than we have on the other side, and then I take her right side, and in the back I combine both sides with a straight line, so you have a rectangle shape on the head. This portion of hair you clip away for a moment, or you use a hair elastic, whatever you just have on your hand. Then measure more or less, I love to take the comb for that you have the same distance on both sides. I added in oil before, did not show you here in the video. And what is also always good is to check with the eyes, because then you know that you are symmetric. Just taking the same spot over the eye, and then you have a guiding line. Bring in the first elastic, here I measure with the fingers, but if you remember from the other side, it's more or less about the end of the eyebrow. I added in some hair, and we put in the 2nd elastic, and then the 3rd, and then our front part is already done. Guys, when you're ready with this front part, you take away the clip, and for working the top section of the hair, the triangle shape that we prepared before, I clip away the rest of the hair, and we are going to do some flip over little ponytails. So take a portion of hair, make sure that everything is neatly combed through. I used some hairspray just to avoid flyaways. Then bring in a hair elastic. Loosen a bit the ponytail and then flip the ponytail from the top into a little hole that you did in the middle, and then tie it off. And this is your first part. Then take this ponytail, add in some hair from both sides, smooth it out. I use here some more, it was not hairspray, it is hair wax or spray wax. That just gives some extra grip to the hair and is really helpful. And then you put in the second elastic on the top hair section. Loosen up the ponytail a bit. Oh, here I decided I needed another round from the hair tie. And this time, because the ponytail is getting thicker, I used the topsy tail tool, bring it through, flip through the whole ponytail, and then tighten it. Now I'm tucking a bit at the point where the ponytail switches inside to give some more volume, and here in a diagonal way from over the ear where the last hair tie is to the top where the middle ponytail is, I add in the hairs from the side, and then all together I bring this into a little ponytail. And this one I also flip over with this tool. So insert it, bring through the hair, hold the end of the ponytail, bring the hair through, and then pull it around. Make sure you do it better than me here. So Margarita now has to hold this ponytail, and I'm taking the side little ponytails with the rest of the hair from the elastics, and I tie them together right under our half up style. And then I bring over the flip over braids. The little ends are hiding under the rest of the hair, and I curl them now together with this section of the top hair. And I'm only giving some extra curls to the little ponytail that she has in her half up style, because I thought it's a cute way to finish off this style. When you use tools like flat iron or curling ones, please make sure that you apply heat protection before. This just protects the hair and you don't have ugly surprises by damaging the hair, especially when you have these little ones as model. Margarita loves curls, but I told her once a month is more than enough. So she was very happy about my decision to give her some extra curls here. And this is our final result. Some hair ties in the front middle parting, what I love on her, some volume on the top with the flip over braids, some extra curls on the ponytail. If you are new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be back here very soon with another video. Bye bye and thank you for watching.